at what point do you realize, uy, nagpe-pay off tong discipline? Napapansin mo ba parang, like, parang na-realize mo, uy, hindi lahat nagagawa yung discipline that is needed. And are you seeing the payoff of that now, especially the season from last year?
Yung realization point ko na hard work was paying off is like, yung last season na, yun talaga yung season na parang nag-blow up ako eh. Yung talaga yung naramdaman ko yung, ito na yung, kahit napapasabi ko sa coach ko na, Coach, thank you talaga, ito na yung mga pinaghirapan natin nung, 2-3 years ago. And it wasn't a smooth sail for me. Back when I was UE, may times then, after the pandemic, I was underperforming. So, yun, and I still trusted my work, and then, nung lumipat ako sa Mapua, and it paid off.
That UAAP experience was hard.
Yes. It was so hard for me. And hindi lang sa mental aspect yun.
Kasi yun din yun di ba? Kaya, buti kung madali ang discipline, we would all do it.
Yes.
Diba? Kaya nga discipline siya kasi actually yung payoff, hindi immediate. Hindi porke nag-exercise ka, mananalo ka na sa games. In a way, it requires patience nga. Parang keeping and trusting in the process na at some point magpe-pay off to.
So yun yung naramdaman ko nung season na yun, nung UAP season 0-14 kami. No wins kami. But I have this quote na favorite quote ko talaga. No hard work goes unnoticed. Kahit wala ka man opportunity, like natalo ka man or yung opportunity mo na wala, eventually if you keep working hard and when that opportunity rises, you'll be ready and you'll go get it. Yung talaga yung mentality ko like throughout my career. Like even though yung matalo kami like last year, masakit diba? 1 game away from championship. Like
so close.
Yeah, so close. Sobrang lang talaga ako. Like syempre, masad ka pero at the end of the day, you need to make that frustration into motivation and that's what drove me to this year.
So parang sa umpisa definitely parang developing that sense of discipline. Mahirap kasi nga wala pang payoff. Minsan parang feeling mo opposite outcome pa yung nangyayari, 'di ba? Parang nagtatrabaho ka pero hindi lumalabas and then eventually once it becomes habit na, parang hindi na gano'ng kahirap, naturally gumigising ka na ng maaga, hindi ka na nasasayangan sa early bedtime call mo. Then it gets easier and then once the payoff comes in, di ba? Parang why would you ever do something else?
Yun talaga. So yun, yung nakatikim na ako last year na based from my experience, like rookie MVP from 0-14 season, rookie MVP, and that says a lot. Like, di lang naman basta-basta, it doesn't come out of thin air. It comes from hard work and perseverance talaga. So, I got a taste of that and I want to taste of something more. And that taste of something more is championship. And I want this season.